Okay, so I made this cream cheese frosting recipe for some cupcakes and some Bundt cakes that I made, which I will be uploading in the next couple of days. So I started off with 1 stick of butter and also 1 package of cream cheese. And then I'm just going to go ahead and let that cream for about 5 minutes, scraping in between the sides and the bottom just to make sure everything get incorporated together. And I did speed this up for the purpose of the video, so it definitely creamed much longer than what you're seeing. Now that I scraped the bottoms and the sides, I'm going to go ahead and let this cream together just a little bit longer. Y'all see that? I opened up the bag of powdered sugar. And we have the fan on in here, and oh my goodness, it made it look like it was just snowing. That's what you see go across the screen. So I'm starting off by putting 2 cups of sugar into my cream, butter and cream cheese, and I am just going to let that go. I started off low because I didn't want sugar just flying everywhere, and I don't know where my top is at that go to this mixer. So, and then I sped it up, literally sped it up after some of the sugar had dissolved into the butter, or in other words creamed together as well, because that's part of the creaming process too. So I'm just going to let this go for a bit, and then I am going to lift it up and scrape the sides and the bottom to incorporate that together, and then I will add my other 2 cups. Okay, so that went for about 5 minutes, 6 at the most, because I did forget about it when I walked away. I had to go and do something else, but I am now going to scrape the sides and the bottom. Now this is how you want your buttercream to look. If you beat it for too long, it will look grainy, like you have that grainy texture. The texture wouldn't be light and fluffy. Okay, so now I have my piping bag here. I am going to insert my tip. Okay, I'm using a star tip, and I am going to cut it so that the crown or the tip of the tip is out, so that it makes the needed design or the desired design. So then I'm putting it in a cup, and I am wrapping the piping bag around my cup so that I can fill my buttercream into the piping bag. This makes it so much easier than trying to hold it and do it, because it would definitely fall out or you would drop it. Okay, so I am about to pipe some cupcakes, so I am trying to get as much in here as possible without it overflowing and coming out the top, so that way I don't have to keep adding and adding and adding. So I am using the bowl that the frosting is in to make sure that it comes out and squeeze out the air. So you do that by squeezing out some of the buttercream just to make sure there's no air bubbles. And you guys, this is how it turned out, and it pipes so good, so well, it holds well. And that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.